If your Epson Projector remote is not responding, the problem is usually related to batteries or infrared signal issues. Start by checking the batteries since most remote failures happen because of weak power or corrosion inside the battery compartment. Replace the batteries with fresh alkaline ones and clean the terminals gently using isopropyl alcohol if you notice dirt or leakage. The batteries should provide enough voltage to power the remote properly, otherwise, it may not send signals at all. If new batteries don't fix the issue, check the infrared connection between the remote and the projector. Make sure nothing is blocking the signal and avoid using the remote under strong sunlight or bright fluorescent lighting, which can interfere with IR signals. Clean the projector's IR sensors and try using the remote from different angles, ideally within about a 30-degree range where the sensors can detect commands easily. If the remote still fails, perform a quick reset by removing the batteries for about 30 seconds, holding the power button for a few seconds, then reinstalling fresh batteries. You can also control the projector using the Epson eye projection mobile app if needed.